Good day, Sir Manzanero. My name is Gabriel Christian M. Aquino. You can call me Gab for short, and I am currently a third-year college student from 3SMP1. Well, I am a responsible, hardworking, and goal-oriented individual who is always eager to learn new knowledge and develop new skills. I value honesty, respect, and perseverance in everything that I do. Well, as a student, I strive to perform my best academically while continuously improving myself both personally and professionally. I enjoy working with others, sharing ideas, and contributing positively to any task or project assigned to me. My goal is to gain valuable experiences, expand my knowledge, and build a successful career in the future. I believe that continuous learning, discipline, and a positive attitude are important factors in achieving success. Well, thank you, Sir Manzanero, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself.